siya diri sa Alabel, may hospital banda. So pauli. Pamangos daw siya, first time niya mag-jogging ron. Slightly jogging lang padulong dito sa Barangay Kawas no, gikat sa Alabel. So sundan na to pakaidon. Yan. So kontrol ang atong dagan kay siyempre mas kusog ang motor kaysa tao bata ka nagdagan. So friends, so good morning sa tanan, sa mga higala na tudra Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Madrid, Ironman Team Madrid, and good morning sa Team Madrid, shout out siyempre sa tanan ng FW, good morning sa inyo kay Elsa Tio, good morning, yan, shout out sa iyo tol. Siyempre sa mga pinsan na to sa Malapatan, Saglan, Margos, ayan, sa friends natin dyan sa Coronadal City, yan, shout out sa Pinidikito team, shout out kay Ancahas team, yan. Siyempre, di na ko makalimutan ang akong idol nga coach, akong head coach Napoles, Nigel Napoles, no, shout out kay coach Napoles. So, shout out po kay sayang anak na sa Philippine team karon nga nag-training si John Paul. So tuloy lang dyan, ingat at saka God bless sa training mo. Always healthy.
You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you.
Hi sa mga fans. Kaway.
Hi mga coach.
Thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true, there's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine, and I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true. You're the light in the dark, unsad world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction, you're my strongest inspiration, and I love you. It's true.